Hey Mark, do you want to go to the supermarket with me?
Sure. I need to buy some snacks and shampoo.
Great. Let me grab my shopping list. Do you need anything else?
Maybe some fruit and coffee.
Okay, I'll bring the eco bag so we don't use plastic.
Good idea. Let's leave in 10 minutes.
I'm ready. Do I look okay?
You look perfect for grocery shopping. Let's go.
All right, supermarket time.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, perfect for walking. The supermarket isn't far, right?
Just 5 minutes from here.
Good. We can talk while walking.
What do you want to buy?
Vegetables, chicken, milk, and some bread.
Sounds like a full menu.
I want to cook dinner tonight.
Oh, what are you planning to cook?
Maybe pasta with chicken and salad?
That sounds delicious. Can I help?
Sure. You can help carry the bags. Here we are. The supermarket looks crowded today.
Yeah, maybe it's because it's weekend.
Let's grab a shopping cart.
Or a basket? We're not buying too much, right?
Maybe a cart. Just in case.
Fair enough. I'll push it.
Should we start with the fresh food section?
Yes, fruits and vegetables first.
Okay, let's go. Look at these apples. They're fresh and shiny.
How much are they?
$3 per kilo. Should we get 1 kilo?
Maybe 2. I eat apples every day.
Good for health.
Oh, bananas are on sale.
Great. Put some in the cart.
Do we need vegetables?
Yes, carrots, tomatoes, and lettuce.
Should we buy organic or regular?
Organic today.
All right. Where is the coffee section?
I think it's in aisle 6.
Here it is. Which one should I get?
I like this brand. It smells really good.
Okay, I'll take it.
I need milk.
Whole milk or low fat?
Low fat, please.
Don't forget your chicken and pasta.
You're right. Let's go to the frozen section later.
Oh, shampoo. Which one do you use?
This one with lavender scent.
Nice. I'll take one too.
I think we got everything.
Yes, let's go to the checkout.
Hello. Did you find everything today?
Yes, thank you.
Can we pay by card?
Sure. Your total is $38.
Here's the card.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Let's head home and start cooking.
Can't wait to eat.